Good afternoon, this is Paul Reiber with Freedom Motors USA coming to you from Battle Creek, Michigan. Today we are looking at a 2015 Toyota Sienna power entry side, passenger side, power entry ramp, wheelchair accessible vehicle. It's a 2015, only 22,000 miles, fully loaded with leather, heated seats, navigation, power sunroof, dual power sliding doors, and a power side entry automatic entry ramp, made right here in Battle Creek, Michigan at Freedom Motors USA. We've been in business over 30 years. We have a huge factory, or that's the warehouse, but the factory's over this side. But we have a huge warehouse full of over 200 wheelchair accessible vehicles, which include things like this really cool Kia Sorento over here, freshly made right off the assembly line. And we have Chevy Suburbans and Chevy Tahoes and Chevy Silverados, all sorts of super cool, innovative, handicap, wheelchair accessible vehicles here at Freedom Motors. We don't have just run-of-the-mill boring vehicles. We have a lot of really cool, sporty, luxurious, and fun and adventurous vehicles. This one here's got a power side entry ramp, automatically deploys, just a touch of a button. Just like that, super easy. You can actually remove, this could be a passenger or driver vehicle. If you're in your wheelchair, you could either be in the middle, you could be in the passenger side, or you could be the driver. We have a power transfer seat here. So you could just get in your wheelchair, transfer over, like so, get into the driver's seat. Just get some hand controls if you're not able to use the function of your legs, but we got a push button, navigation here, heated seats, sunroof. This is a really awesome, luxurious, and loaded up Toyota Sienna 2015, 21,000 miles. Still has a factory warranty left on it. Again, this is Paul. I'm with the Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. This is just one of hundreds of vehicles we have in stock. Please go to my YouTube page, subscribe to my YouTube page. My YouTube is Paul Reiber Jr., my name. I am the video marketing consultant for Freedom Motors USA. I also speak Spanish fluently, so I will have videos in Spanish as well, in Espanol. This is Freedom Motors USA. Paul Reiber coming to you with a beautiful 2015 Toyota Sienna black. Beautiful wheels, luxurious and sporty and fun. If you're interested in a wheelchair accessible vehicle, please go to freedommotors.com or call 1-800-625-6335. Thanks so much for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.